My name is Unison. I was born on the 16th of July 2004. Ever since I was 10 years old, all my dreams were just to make the world easier, faster, cool, and affordable to those who can't afford it. When I realized I didn't have the opportunity to make it happen the way I dreamt of it, I decided to create a YouTube channel where I can show my talent to the world and show people what I got. That's my true life story. Please feel free to share with your loved ones or someone you care about, someone you would love to hear my story. If you like to watch how to make those things you saw on those photos, please go right down to the description section. The links are all available there, and please consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out our next upcoming video. See you next Saturday. Bye.